This is my family, which is a normal, everyday family. Mum, Dad, big brother, Grandad, Grandma, and me. This is where I go to school. It's a lovely school, but it's sometimes very difficult to cross the road because people park on the zigzag lines. This man is from the council. Since he started coming to the school, they don't park here as much. He's very nice and really helped us to make sure the road outside our school is safer and people park right. Grandad is the best Bampi in the whole world. He's got one of those blue-coloured badges so he can park in a special big place, but sometimes silly people park in his spot. A few years ago, he wasn't very well and he can't walk very far anymore, so he has to come home and misses his doctor's appointment. My brother spends hours getting ready for the weekend and loves to go to that tanning shop. My friend's mum wasn't very well today and the ambulance took ages to get to her. He doesn't think it's a problem because he's only in there for 10 minutes. Gran likes to treat me every week to a trip down to the town. We always go to the cafe for chips. It's hard for my Gran to get on and off the bus, so we always make sure we go to the bus stop with a funny curb. This week, a car parked there and my Gran's hip was hurting for days after. I really don't like going food shopping. It always upsets my mum because someone always parks in our space when we get home. And we have to drag all the shopping for miles. Mum says they don't even live around here and she's always really angry.
I just don't believe it. I was only in the shop for 2 minutes. It's just a money-making racket.
Daddy, if you didn't park right, then that's your fault, not the parking man. If you could see the day we have had, you would see why we need them, and that they are making our roads safer.